Welcome to What's Cooking. Today we'll be making chicken pie. You will need 3 medium onions, 1 kg of boneless chicken, 2 potatoes, quarter cup of oil, 1 garlic, 2 teaspoons of garlic and ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and salt to taste. Place the oil into a pan and let it heat up. Once the oil is hot, add the onions, the garlic and salt. Then stir. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos and click on the notification bell to see future videos. After about 15 minutes, the onions will have softened and the garlic. Once the onions have softened and are slightly gold, add the chicken and stir well. Add the ginger and garlic paste and stir again. Add all the spices and a little bit of water so the spices don't stick or burn. Stir for about 10 minutes until all the spices have cooked. If you need to add water because of the mixture is sticking, add a little bit of water. We want the mixture to be slightly saucy, so add some water and cook for a few minutes until the sauce has thickened. You will need 2 rolled pastries, puff pastry that is. Place 1 sheet into the dish. Then add the chicken mixture. In the meantime, turn the oven on gas mark 180. Add the second layer of pastry sheet. Cut off the extra edges. Then egg wash the pastry. Place in the oven for 30 minutes. Your chicken pie is ready. You can serve with chips and coleslaw or mashed potato.